In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A32 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A32 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the phone app and you're going to type in *#06 and then hit the pound button. That's going to show us our IMEI. Now you're going to want to write down this first number in this section. You're going to need it for the next step in the process. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. First is going to be the manufacturer, which is Samsung, and then the model, which you'll go down to the G section, Galaxy A32. Tap unlock now. And the next section is going to ask you to fill out some questions about where you purchased the phone. So we did purchase the phone in the US and for the carrier Boost Mobile. Tap next. And on this very last page, we're going to enter the number that we wrote down at the beginning of the video, the IMEI here, your full name, the email address you want your final unlocking instructions sent to, and a contact phone number right here where they can reach you as well. At that point, you're going to tap order now. Now, if we swipe down, it will show you the price. So normally it will cost an average of $45 to have this phone unlocked. But with this company, you always get a discount. So it's only going to cost you $29.99. And it is about a 24-hour turnaround time for them to email you with the final instructions. The process to unlock phones does vary from time to time, so that's why this last step is important, where they're going to email you the final steps to get your phone unlocked. So very important. A couple things I want to point out about this website here. You will find a toll-free phone number at the top that you can call if you have any issues. There's also a number that you can text. They do have 24-hour support, and they have a messaging option at the bottom here. So you have a few different ways to contact the company in the event you run into a snag or you have a question. You can reach out to them. And they also offer a full money-back guarantee in the event they're not able to get your phone unlocked. So a very reputable site to use, and it will help you, get your phone unlocked. Now, you will need to wait for that final email address or that final email that's gonna have your unlocking instructions. So definitely look out for that. Now, once you get that, one thing you will need to do is have a SIM card for the service you'd like to use the phone with. And you'll just be taking out the old SIM card and putting in a new SIM card for the new service. And you'll find the SIM tray on this phone on the left side. So right on the side here. And you'll just need to use this little tool that you'll find in the box of the phone. Or you can get a paper clip and bend it back and just push it through this hole like that. And it will pop out your SIM tray. Now don't be afraid to do this. That's what it's made for. And see, it just popped out like that. And we're just gonna pop in our new SIM card. And then you're gonna restart the phone and then follow the last few steps that you'll see on the email, and you're all set. So hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.